Use the custom app on Stencilease.com to enter your custom text. Then try out a variety of fonts before making your selection. Next, select the letter height. Be sure to take into account how this changes the stencil length. If you have more than one line of text, select Alignment. Now select the material best suited for your project. Approve the stencil design dimensions before adding the stencil to your cart. Stencilease.com offers a quantity discount for duplicates. Enter your quantity and then add it to your cart. Your stencil will arrive ready to use. Start by spraying the back of your stencil with Repositionable spray adhesive. Let the spray become tacky for 30 seconds before pressing it to a clean surface. Use frog tape painter's tape around the edges of the stencil to mask it off from your surface. Use painter's tape and scrap paper to mask off the area surrounding your stencil. Check one final time to make sure the stencil details are pressed flat to the surface. Use a can of spray paint through a spray box to stencil the design without excess overspray around the stencil. The spray box is a box with no bottom that keeps paint from spraying too far outside the boundaries. After painting, peel the stencil straight off the project surface. This custom stencil may be used multiple times on multiple surfaces. Visit Stencilease.com to use the custom stencil tool for your next project.